Are you tired of spending your precious time on mundane chores like vacuuming? The OKP robot vacuum cleaner is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the features that make the K3 a powerful and convenient cleaning companion, ensuring your home stays spotless with minimal effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Smart control at your fingertips. Gone are the days of manual vacuuming. The OKP brings you unparalleled convenience with multiple cleaning modes. Whether it's whole area cleaning, bow-type cleaning, spot cleaning, or along edge cleaning, this robot vacuum adapts to your cleaning needs seamlessly. Control it effortlessly through the OKP app, Alexa, or Google Assistant, giving you the power to start and stop cleaning with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. The future of cleaning is here. Powerful suction for a deeper clean. Equipped with an impressive 2000 PSI strong suction, the OKP effortlessly tackles crumbs, confetti, and dust, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. The innovative design, featuring two side brushes, prevents clogging and hair tangles, making it a reliable choice for homes with pets or busy households. No more worrying about weak suction, the K3 ensures your floors are spotless. Ultra-thin design for unrestricted cleaning. With a sleek 299-inch ultra-thin body, the OKP easily navigates under furniture, reaching areas that traditional vacuums struggle to access. Slide it around beds, sofas, and cupboards and watch as it cleans every nook and cranny, leaving your home pristine. Embrace the convenience of a robot vacuum that effortlessly fits into your daily life. Long running time and smart charging. Say goodbye to interruptions in your cleaning routine. The OKP boasts an impressive running time of up to 100 minutes on a single charge. When low on power, it autonomously returns to the docking station for a quick recharge, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Enjoy a seamlessly clean home without the hassle of constant charging. Multi-clean modes for versatile cleaning. The K3 Smart Vacuum Cleaner Robot adapts to your unique cleaning requirements with its versatile multi-clean modes. Whether you prefer auto clean, spot clean, edge clean, or manual clean, the OKP app gives you the flexibility to switch between modes effortlessly. Tailor your cleaning experience to suit your needs and watch as the K3 transforms your home. Advanced technology for smarter cleaning. The OKP is not just a vacuum, it's a smart cleaning companion. With FreeMove Technology 2.0 and upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors, it effortlessly navigates hardwood and carpeted floors, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a non-stop, thorough clean. The improved anti-drop technology prevents accidents, providing you peace of mind. Conclusion: embrace effortless cleaning with the OKP. The OKP robot vacuum cleaner is not just a home appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Embrace the future of cleaning with a device that combines smart technology, powerful suction, and thoughtful design. Make the OKP your cleaning companion and experience the joy of a consistently clean home without the effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.